Beneath the vast oceans lie secrets that have fascinated humans for centuries.
Legends speak of lost cities, including Atlantis, vanished beneath the waves.
But were these myths? Or did civilizations truly disappear underwater?
These ruins hint at ancient civilizations thriving where oceans now dominate.
Stone foundations, pillars, and artifacts remain as silent witnesses to history. Artifacts tell stories of daily life, culture, and craftsmanship of lost civilizations.
Temples and structures reveal spiritual and artistic achievements.
Imagine bustling streets and temples, now silent underwater.
Rising sea levels, earthquakes, and tsunamis forced communities to abandon their homes.
Massive waves and natural disasters reshaped entire regions.
Exploring sunken cities requires careful planning and modern technology.
Deep-sea submersibles allow us to explore areas unreachable by divers.
Over centuries, coral and marine life transformed these cities into underwater gardens.
Every artifact helps reconstruct human life from millennia ago. Natural disasters likely forced migrations to safer lands.
Studying submerged areas helps scientists understand past climate and sea level changes. Underwater corridors reveal city layouts and architectural techniques.
Statues give insight into artistry, culture, and beliefs of lost civilizations.
Harbors show that these cities were hubs of trade and maritime activity.
Over centuries, the ocean has become part of the city's story, reclaiming it.
Sonar technology reveals city outlines previously invisible to humans.
Scientists combine historical records and technology to locate sunken cities.
Artifacts are carefully preserved to protect history for future generations. Artifacts are carefully preserved to protect history for future generations.
Sunken streets now form an underwater labyrinth of history and mystery.
Every discovery adds pieces to the puzzle of human history.
Nature slowly transformed human structures into vibrant ecosystems.
Engineering marvels like aqueducts show ingenuity of past civilizations. Temples, once central to spiritual life, now lie serene beneath the ocean.
Imagine daily life, frozen in time, now hidden beneath the waves.
Coins and relics reveal trade, economy, and cultural connections.
Rising seas reshaped continents and forced human migration. Walls and corridors show how cities were built and organized.
These artistic masterpieces tell us about beliefs and culture.
The stratification confirms the lower layer
Predates the known civilization by centuries.
that changes everything we thought we knew.
Sunken cities are silent witnesses to human ingenuity and resilience.
These mysteries remind us that human history extends beyond what we see on land.
If you enjoyed this journey, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more incredible stories of our past.